Hello, I am going to be reviewing Cool Math for Kids. The website is www.coolmathforkids.com, so you can see up here in the bar. Cool Math for Kids is a game based learning site for kindergarten through sixth grade. So when we use these Windows tabs up here, we have math games. Math games are named and you get a quick picture of what you're going to be playing, but up in the left corner it tells you what math concept you're going to be working on. You can sort them down by subject matter, by the topic, addition, subtraction, or you can sort them down by grade. This program is really nice because it comes with pre-made lessons. The lessons are kind of basic. However, the pre-made graphics in the lessons are actually really good and they're very simple and streamlined. Let me show you. We're going to look at the addition here. Not a lot of words on the graphic. It's very bright. They took the red and the blue box and combined it to make purple, which artistically that's actually correct. So we have the equation, we have the Common Core combining and counting method up here. It goes on and gives a second example, and then it's got some tips on this third page of other activities. Make goldfish crackers, M&M Skittles, make it a reward, do it at all times of the day. You don't have to do these on your computer, and it encourages you to do them off your computer. It gives you lots of ideas of other ways you can incorporate things, putting sets together, count how many are in each set. It gives you the steps of how to do addition. It also offers a quizzing section where you can select the area of math that you would like to be quizzed in, and you can customize the quiz. You can give kids a list and say, hey, the first box has to say 1 through 20. You have your options here, up through 50. The second one, you have up to 30 questions on your quiz, and you can do 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 5 seconds, or an unlimited amount of time for each question. Once you start the quiz and you start answering, it will actually, at the end, give you your total score, tell you how long it took you to answer approximately each question, and it even gives you the option for a printout. So we're on question number 8 already. We know how far we've done. We know what we're doing. We're doing addition 0 through 10. And we just completed our quiz. We're going to see the results. We can see that it took us 2.4 seconds per question. They can enter their name and print a certificate, which gives you all the results. You can even just print the results of their specific test. It lets you know where they might need more work. However, brain teasers and more are fun little things that you can do. They're not the focus of this website review right now. The new manipulatives, is really cool. This is where they really did a great job. This is a new one because when I was using this site years ago, these did not exist. Pattern blocks exist. You can choose your patterns and pull them down. Kids can create custom shapes. They can turn them and move them. They have a protractor for those older kids to measure their angles. And then you can even have puzzles. We're going to drop a puzzle in, and then we have to try and fit the shapes into the puzzle, but it also offers you a solution. So these are kind of fun. One of the ideas that we do is we allow kids to make a design, we save it, and then we ask other kids to recreate their design. It's kind of fun for them where they get to be almost like a teacher situation. We're going to connect back to the manipulatives page. They have base 10 blocks that they could use to work on decimal places. They have a ruler here that they can measure. So this is, there we go, 10 blocks, 10 units. You can tell them to build something of a certain size, how many blocks you want it to be, and then have them measure it, and they could give you those answers. There's all sorts of things you could build from here. We have number lines if they're still using number lines for counting, addition, subtraction. It's a very useful application. It is free. It allows you to do a lot in the classroom. Like I said, you have the math games you could use for your downtime or just for some practice and review. You do have the quizzes for assessments, the ability to keep and track that information. You have the digital manipulatives. Right now, with the return to school, we're not sharing products. This gives you those hands on manipulatives in a digital format so you're not worrying about cleaning or germs. And then you also have your lessons. This is a great starting point. This one reviews place value. Here we go. Here's your place value. That's underneath your addition lesson. We have numbers within 100, regrouping, all of those broken down areas that someone may need to refresh on. But it's a starting point for you. It's a place where you can say, hey, mom, dad, take them there. And then it gives you the games and the quiz option all on that page that you go to for your lessons. It puts it all together for you. I think this is a really great site, very useful in your classroom, very useful for homework, and overall very user friendly.